This is the Nuwave double burner induction cooktop, and I have to admit I've never used an induction unit before. I've heard great things about them. First thing I would like to mention that they have a great quick start guide here. This is just an owner's manual, and then they even give you a cookbook, which is pretty neat. That's got over 100 recipes in it, so I'll need all of those. Anyway, I've just put some water on here, and I thought we would, there's a lot of different ways. The control panel is really quite powerful, but I'm just going to go to maximum temperature, which is here. It says sear, and then start, and let's just see what happens here. You can hear a fan start to run. I'm by a air conditioning vent, so that's not probably helping the heating process. Oh, the water's definitely getting warm. Woo. Oh, you can see the bubbles starting to form on the bottom. As I said, this is a real disadvantage. It's directly in front of an air conditioning duct. That's the only spot I had handy where I could set this up. But anyway, it's an absolutely beautiful unit. Two large cooking surfaces next to each other with totally independent controls. You can set cook times, start times, end times. Very, very versatile controls. And you can see now that the water is bubbling like crazy, and it'll be at a boil very soon. So, very quick, very quiet, very impressive. Thanks for watching.